Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. In hindsight, this process would have been much easier had we simply unclipped the sensor wires and loosened the air hose clamp. Install your new AF3592 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.